everyone, welcome to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School. My name is Mrs. Sridevi Kanke. I am your SST teacher, grade 4. Now in the previous chapter we have learned northern mountains. Yes, is it correct? Yes, very good. Now our next lesson goes that lesson number 4. What is the lesson number 4? That is northern plains. Okay, have a look here. See here, northern plains. That is lesson number 3. Before starting the lesson, I would like to tell you the children, please underline the hard words. Where you find the new words, underline as the rivers names are there in our lesson, and then the mountains names are there. All these are the new for you all. So please underline this and write and read after the lesson. Okay. Now let us go for a lesson, that is northern plains. What we are going to learn in this lesson? Okay, we are going to learn about the main physical feature of the northern plains. Okay, now this is the point. Okay, I will going to explain you what it is. Now second point, we are going to learn about the life in the northern plains. When we learn about that, then we are going to learn the life of the people where they live in the northern plains. Now next information. Now come to the plain. What is northern plains? Okay, you should understand. Now northern plains, we have on a map that we have 4 directions, isn't it correct? Those are 4 directions: north, south, east, west. In the last chapter we have studied about the northern mountains, correct? That is situated in this side, correct? Now before come down we have a northern plain. When I say this plain, what is this mean by plain here? The plain is the flat or the land is flat over here. Now as we go to the south, I will once again tell you, as we go to south from the Himalayas are the upper northern part, correct? Where the Himalayas, big mountains are there. Yes, from down to south, as we are coming down south from the Himalayas, we come to the vast means big. We come to the big northern plains of India. Okay, now I am telling you what in the directions are there. From south it is coming Himalayas, correct? Now listen, they run parallel, means as they go same parallel to the Himalayas from Punjab. Okay, now when I say Punjab, do you know children where the Punjab is situated, in which direction? Yes, correct. Punjab is in the west side. Punjab is in the west side. See my hand where I am showing this here direction, west. Okay, it starts from northern plains. I am telling you students, northern plains from Punjab in the west side, it goes through till in this direction I am showing. What is this? East. Till what is here? Assam. Assam in the east. So once again listen the children here, Punjab to Assam in the east, it will run parallel. Okay, now covering the distance of what? I am telling you all students, correct, this much distance we are covered it, correct? And how much distance is covered? Do you all know? Okay, we know it here. The distance is covering here 2,400 kilometers. Okay, 2,400 kilometers it is extended from that Punjab to Assam. Okay, now go further and now covering the distance it is there. Now width, how much it is there? This much. Okay, from here to here, how much width it is covering here? The width varies from 240 kilometers to 320 kilometers. Okay, it may be covers like this much distance. When we go till the Assam, it may be the narrow, it may be the broad. So the distance is covered 240 to 320 kilometers. Okay. Now we have understood this. Okay, now dear children, now tell me, when I am telling Himalayas, from Himalayas what they come here? Yes, of course, very good. Rivers will flow, correct? As a summer, the snow will melt, the rivers will flow, correct? Like that, those rivers come, what they originate here? Such as, just we go for it. See here, the Ganga, Brahmaputra and Satluj. Okay, these are the three rivers will flow from Ganga, Brahmaputra and Satluj, flow through the northern plains. Okay. Now, as these rivers are mainly fed by the melting snow in the Himalayas. Yes, when the Himalayas, okay, the snow will melt and then glaciers will form. From the glaciers, the water will flow. Exactly, this water will flow from Himalayas. All these rivers come, that is Ganga river, Brahmaputra and Satluj, through these northern plains. Now go forward here. I told you na Punjab is there na. See, can you see this green color? Yes, this is the green color. Punjab to Assam in the east. So this much, how much this distance is covered here? 2,400 kilometers. Okay. Now the next point is they have the water throughout the years. Yes, of course, Himalayas always snow will be there. So there is no, in summer when any season will come, but those water will be flowing out. So they have the water throughout the year. Okay. Now in our places like where we live here, can you see water as the summer starts will fall shortage of water? Yes, isn't it? Correct, we fall shortage of water because the rivers will get, it will be finished off, correct, it is evaporated. But here in the Himalayas, it is will be full of water only throughout the year. Now come to the point of next, the rivers bring with them fine soil, exactly, called silt or alluvium. See here, new word has come here, the silt or alluvium. Now the point, what is silt? You can understand what is silt. Yes, I will tell you here. For an example here, when rain is coming, okay, when rain is coming, the water will be pure water. When the rain will come on, it fall on the land. When you see this water will flow on the road, only the water will flow? No, we can see this water all in red in color. What will flow? It brings with us a fine soil will come. Exactly, yes or no? Yes, obviously you have seen in the seen nearby your houses when the rainfall will there. Exactly, like that only here the river. When rivers come here, with that not only water will come, with the water a fine soil will come, or a fine rocks will be there, small rocks that also flow with the river and they will come. That only it is called silt. That is called silt or alluvium, we can call it. Okay. Now what is alluvial soil now? When alluvial soil is very fertile, when the soil will come and brings here, that all land will become wet. Correct, exactly. A lot of water will be deposited here. That land become wet, isn't it? The soil will be very smooth. So that land will be very fertile. In the previous class, as I told you, what is the term fertile meaning here? Ability to reproduce the productive. Okay, the crops will be grown nicely. It makes the northern plains one of the most fertile regions of the world. As this region, when the northern plains, it's all our rivers are there. Exactly, when river is come, the soil will become very wet and soil will be very fertile. Okay, when this soil fertile, so these plains or they can do farming very nicely. Now go for it. I said you in a silt. See, can you have a look over here? See this land how it is. See, this all water are deposited here, correct? So this land. Next, alluvial soil. See this. Can you see this? smooth. When we touch, no, that soil will be very smooth. It's fine. These places we can crops, they can do farming very nicely. We can get a lot of number of crops. Now the term comes here, tributary. In the first lesson we have studied about the tributary, distributary. Exactly? Yes. Are you remembered? Yes, very good. What is tributary? Tributary is, I said you, small rivers. Once again I tell you, a small rivers, they go and join the big river is called a tributary. Okay, a river that flows into a larger river. Okay, to tell you this, I will show you an image over here. See this tributary? See, can you see this when I am showing here? See, can you see the small rivers? Exactly, correct? These black lines, can you see here? These all are going and joining somewhere else. See here. See this big river, it is there now. See this small rivers, it is also coming from this side. So these all rivers are going and joining to a big river. So it is called tributary. Okay, now come to the point of distributary. What is distributary here? See here. The distributary here, the water comes here and it's distribute. Okay, it is dividing. Distribute means it's dividing here. This water breaks into channels here, branches. It's going in others and joining here. Okay. Now, see, distributary means a branch of river that does not return to the main river after leaving it. Exactly. When we send it, it will cannot come back. No. Exactly. What is now the term basin is called? Basin, the area that is watered by a river and its tributaries is called a basin. Here I show you again here the flag. Now can you see this image over here? The land all it is green in color. Exactly. Can you see this? The farming they are all doing. The places crops are here. Crops are growing here. Can you see the land fertile? Yes. This is a flat and fertile land of the northern plains. Very good. Now the northern plains. Now we have understood the term what is the northern plains exactly. Now further we move it, it is divided into three basins. Okay, how much it is divided? It divided into three basins. What are they here? The Satluj basin in the west side, the Ganga basin in the middle, the Brahmaputra basin is in the east. Okay, once again I tell you, this northern place is divided into three basins. First one is Satluj basin, Ganga basin, the Brahmaputra basin. These are the new words are there underlined. Okay, now come to the point of what is Satluj basin. Okay, can you see this? A river, see a big river, it is Satluj basin. Okay, now we are going to see the Ganga basin. See, can you see this India Mapul horn? And the shaded cover which is in pink in color. Okay, it is in pink color. It is all about the Ganga basin. It is all about the Ganga basin. Now come to the point of Brahmaputra. Okay, now Brahmaputra basin, can you see this? Okay, see it is start from here to here there. Now come to the point, now we will learn about the Satluj basin. Now Satluj basin is what? Now how it is, where it starts and where it ends, how many rivers are going to join, we all will see, or we all together we all discuss. Now the river Satluj and its tributaries flow towards south west. See, again I will tell you the point. The river Satluj, when the river Satluj and its small tributaries, when it join the big river, Satluj river, it flows towards, where it flow, it going towards where? South west through Punjab. They join the Indus river. Okay, when they going to join the Indus River, how they go first? Through the Punjab they will go. Okay, in the which direction? South to west. Now tell me, where is Punjab? Punjab is in the west direction, correct? From south to west it goes, and Punjab then given the Indus River. And now tell me, where is Indus River? Pakistan our neighbor? No, it passed through Indus River in the Pakistan, and finally it go and join in the Arabian Sea. Okay, the Indus finally flow in the Arabian Sea. Just now I said it, correct? The Punjab and Haryana lies in the Sutlej Basin. See, when Sutlej Basin I am talking, in that Sutlej, Punjab is situated over there, Haryana is there. Through south to west is going through Pakistan, Indus River, and it finally go and join the Arabian Sea. Now here Bhakra Nangal Dam. See, once here, point over here, the Bhakra Nangal Dam has been built on the Sutlej River. Just I'll show here. This is the dam. This is a big river. See, can you just see this bridge like this? This is a big dam built on this river. This is Bhakra Nangal Dam. Here it provides electricity. Why the dams are made here? Can you tell me? We have discussed also. Okay. Now this, why the dams are made? It provides what? And big rivers. What I said you so many examples also. Electricity, using fans, light, everything we are using it. This electricity is generated in the dams. Correct. This water also provides to the irrigation. Now term irrigation is what? What the people are in need of the water, household purposes, irrigation, farming, they can use. Okay, they will give water to the small places where they are not getting the water over there. Okay, as this region does not receive much rain, because what? When rain is there, then only we will get all the water exactly. But when rain is not there, so this water, so this Sutlej Basin, on that Bhakra Nangal Dam is made. It is built on that. This water is used for irrigation also, and then electricity generated. Okay, now Indira Gandhi Canal is also there. Indira Gandhi Canal, it is made, it starts from Sutlej and provides water to many dry areas. Near Punjab only, when you come down, we see this Thar Desert, Sahara Desert, whatever Rajasthan is there. Correct. This Rajasthan is a dry place. They will not get rain. It is a small. But this Indira Gandhi Canal is made to provide water to those areas, water to the state of Rajasthan areas. Okay. See, this is a Sutlej Basin. One of our image I have taken here. Can you see this water? See, this all water, and here this dam has been built. Now Ganga Basin. Okay. Now I hope you all understood what is Sutlej Basin. Now come to the point, Ganga Basin. Now what is Ganga Basin here? Ganga. The Ganga is the most important river of the northern plains. Yes, the Ganga is very important. It is very important river. The Ganga Basin is spread. Spread means it is spreaded across Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and West Bengal. This Ganga will flow through Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and West Bengal. Now where is the Ganga comes? Yes, Ganga originates from the Gangotri. Correct, very good. Gangotri, the glaciers. Okay. Now in the mountains it is fed by several tributaries, such as, when Ganga comes, it is all joined with the small rivers like what? Alakananda, Mandakini and Bhagirathi before it enters the northern plains. Before it comes to the northern plains, a small rivers, or what are they? Alakananda, Mandakini and Bhagirathi. These three rivers join and it enters, before it enters the northern plains. It is joined the Ganga and it comes here northern plains at Haridwar. Now as it flows slowly in the plains, it is joined by several rivers, several small tributaries like Yamuna, Gandak, Ghagra, Kosi and Gomti. Once again tell you this point here, as it flows slowly, as it comes slowly from these rivers, it has several tributaries join. Several small rivers will join this as it comes slowly, no? Small rivers come and join. What are the small rivers here? The small rivers are like Yamuna, Gandak, Ghagra, Kosi and Gomti. Okay, have you understood, children? Yes? Correct. We'll repeat once again. As it flows slowly in the plains, it is joined several tributaries, small rivers is joined. What are the small rivers tributaries like? Yamuna, Gandak, Ghagra, Kosi and Gomti. Okay. Now, after flowing through Uttar Pradesh and Bihar, Ganga enters West Bengal. Okay, as it slowly comes here, it has joined Alaknanda, Mandakini, Bhagirathi. Again small rivers come. Gomti, Kosi, Yamuna, Gandak, Ghagra, it all joined. Again it comes, not only it will never stop over there. Again it flows. Correct, it's a river. Again where it flows after flowing through Uttar Pradesh. Okay, Uttar Pradesh and Bihar, finally it enters in the West Bengal. Now it splits. Splits means it's divided. It splits into many branches. It splits into small rivers are there, no? Branches are distributaries. The two main branches are there. What are they? The word Hooghly and Padma. After this small it's divided into small branches, and what it comes here, the main two branches are there, that is Hooghly and Padma. Okay, now again it will not stop here. Again it will go further. There are two branches. Okay, now two branches are there. This is, one is the Hooghly, one is the Padma. Again here you see Hooghly flows to Kolkata. Hooghly will go here, Kolkata, and here this is the Padma again. Again what happens here? Hooghly flows to Kolkata. Okay, Hooghly flows to Kolkata, and last Bay of Bengal will be there, no? It enters into the Bay of Bengal. Okay, now here can you see this? Okay, I try to tell you here, the small branches are there here. Just you see here, Gomti is there. Okay, Ghagra is there, Gandak is there, Kosi is there. Can you see this green color? This all will come here, small, it will join here. Okay, it flows through Uttar Pradesh and Bihar, correct? And finally it goes to the West Bengal, correct? See, this all flow here. Again what happens? The two main branches were there. I said, you know what is Hooghly and second is Padma, correct? See, again this all will go, and here two main branches are there. See, these two, Hooghly and Padma. Hooghly and Padma. Again what happens? Hooghly goes through Kolkata. Kolkata lost, here west. Padma. Finally all goes and join in the Bay of Bengal. Now Padma enters Bangladesh. Okay, Hooghly will go to the Kolkata, correct? Where Padma enters? Padma enters the Bangladesh and it joins the Jamuna. Now here one point you have to understand. Now I said Jamuna, Yamuna. These two are the different. These are not same. Jamuna and Yamuna are not the same. They are two different rivers are there. The word Jamuna, Yamuna are the two different rivers are there. Okay, it is here. The main branch of Brahmaputra. Then come to the point of Brahmaputra in Bangladesh before entering the Bay of Bengal. It also comes, but what happens here now? The main branch is what? Bangladesh is there. Now Sundarban also. Now I will tell you the Sundarban. What is Sundarban here? Sundarban means delta made by Ganga. Brahmaputra is the largest in the world. Now this is the Sundarban. Okay, now can you see this? The roots are coming out here, trees are there, correct? This is the Sundarban. Now third point here, Brahmaputra Basin. First we have studied about the Sutlej Basin, Ganga Basin. Now here Brahmaputra Basin, correct? Now Brahmaputra, what it is? A narrow strip, narrow, big and strong, narrow strip in the east of Assam. Okay, now Brahmaputra is the longest of the three great rivers of the northern India. We have a three, Sutlej, Ganga and Brahmaputra. Among three, which is the biggest here? Okay, it is the great or the longest. Brahmaputra is the longest river of the northern plains. Okay, it starts in Tibet. Where it starts? It starts in Tibet, where it is called Sangpo. The word here, underline here, Sangpo. Though it starts from Tibet, where it is called Sangpo, where it comes from the Sangpo, correct, exactly. It enters India through, where it enters from Arunachal Pradesh and flows through Assam into Bangladesh. Okay, here where it goes, again it all will comes, it starts in the Tibet, where it called Sangpo, and it enters through here and it's joined here in the Arunachal Pradesh, then it flows into the Assam. Okay, now here where it starts, it joins the Padma and forms the Sundarbans, okay, flowing into the Bay of Bengal. Now come to the point here, northern plains. Now we have studied all the three basins, exactly, correct. Now we are going to see what are the life of the people, okay, how they live. Here now Punjab is there. Okay, now Punjab, how it is here? Punjab is fed by the Sutlej, Ravi river, and the base rivers is very fertile. This land is very fertile. Now come to the point of Chandigarh. Okay, now what is Chandigarh here? Chandigarh is the capital of both Punjab and Haryana. It is well planned city. The famous golden temple. When I say this word Chandigarh, you click on a word. Arey, Punjab and Haryana word, Chandigarh, what it is here? Yes, you all know it. That is Amritsar, the golden temple. The golden temple, where it is in Amritsar. Amritsar is Chandigarh only, na? Correct. Now other important cities also there. What are they? Ludhiana, Jalandhar. Okay. Now we are going to study all further also. Just underline these all the words. Okay, what I have studied here: Sutlej, Ganga Basin, Brahmaputra Basin. These all the rivers are there. Okay, you learn the spellings. All these Brahmaputra, Indus, Indira Gandhi Canal. Okay, now Bhakra, Nangal Dam. All these words are there. Just go through this. Read the lesson properly. Okay, twice and thrice also we learn. Just it is very interesting. When you go on studying deeply, you feel, it is so easy. You will tell like that. It is very easy, or it is very, you will say, again you take that book. Okay, just underline those words and try to solve the exercise, and the new words are there. Okay, now in that textbook exercise, like then the blanks are there, Mazda pairs are there, MCQs are there. Just you try to write or fill those things. Okay, complete the exercise. Now I want to tell you one word also here. Maps are also there. Just go through the maps. See where is Ganga Basin. Just you locate it. Where is Brahmaputra is there? How many rivers are there? How many tributaries joining that rivers? Okay, it flows from the Himalayas. From where it goes and where it ends and which direction. Okay, in which east or a west or a north or a south. You just go through all those things. You feel very interesting. You try to do something new. Yes, you are learning something new. Correct. Now what I suggest you all, just write those words, and then very nice. We'll go further in the next session. I'm going to explain you what else are there. Northern plains are there. Then what else it is there? Okay, I'm going to explain you the life of northern plains, how the people are living, what is the traditional dress of that, and what is the food and what are the festivals they celebrate and how many states are there. In that we are going to learn in the next episode. Okay, till then, bye bye, thank you, see you.